Now, how can you import iPhone contacts into the Google Sheets? Let's get started and let me show you exactly how you're going to do this. If this is your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Well, at first you need to download an app from the App Store which is titled Export Contacts. There are more apps which get the job done, but I'm showing you this exact one, so perhaps try it out to see if it works the same way using the app. But the point is that you get inside the application, you export your contacts, but you don't pick the format to be the V card, but instead you pick the CSV or Excel, right? Which are like the spreadsheet formats that can be used within Google Sheets as well, right? So I'm going to go with the Excel like this, click on continue. So perhaps I might get an ad through the application before, it exports them, whatever. But after the export is finished, I'm going to click on that. And from the apps which do appear in here for like the sharing, I'm going to click on more and I should be able to find the Google Sheets application right away. So I can tap on it like this and click on save it to the drive. And I'm going to be able to locate the new file in here, and it's going to show me all of the contacts in that file format. So I'm going to be able to get inside and just browse all of the things, right? It will just show me all of the numbers and all of the things, right? So it just puts it together very nicely. It gets the job done, and I can see it all in like a spreadsheet. So if that is the thing that you wanted to achieve, let me know if you managed to. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos as well. So stay tuned by subscribing, and that way you are not going to miss anything important.